Black Dodge in high-speed pursuit of SWAT truck.
My God, that's Jason Bourne. Why would he come back now?
What was the purpose of your visit, sir?
Business.
Rated PG-13.